as examples of what we freed up, well, we freed up Twitter, meeting notes, YouTube videos, thumbnails. And so like the goal with this is that I can move, 5 to 100 times faster, right? Because before I could only create like one YouTube video per day and it would drain all my energy. Now I can create 8 videos per day and it's not even a big deal, right? Before I could only create maybe 5 or 10 quality tweets per day, right? Now we can actually generate maybe 40 or 50 different tweets per day. As you can see, this is all running without me. I just woke up this morning, boom, we've got all these tweets posted right here, all these videos posted, etc. And even the videos themselves and the content here is AI generated, right? And the difference here, if we have a look, for example, maybe we look over the last, I don't know, year, right? Let's have a look over the last year, right? So back November last year, I would get about 108,000 views on Twitter when I had like one VA working on it. Now, when we've got better systems, etc., we're getting like 256,000 views per day, right? So the amount of views per day that we get is absolutely insane. It's way higher than it's ever been, and I do less work than ever on this as well. Right? I do some live streams and that sort of thing. As you can see here, we post a lot of live streams, but most of the time, we are not creating that much content and it doesn't require that much work, but it saves us a lot of time, right? And so this process just works beautifully and you can easily replicate it. Okay. Now, if you do want all our best systems for this stuff, go to the AI Profit Boardroom. And then what you're going to do is go to the 300K AI playbook here. And you can see here how we, for example, automated Twitter, like I'm talking about, how we automate YouTube short videos with AI, how we automate AI avatar videos. And you get our best systems as well for automating blog posts, as you can see, or even, for example, automating these processes, right? So we actually automate the processes and then turn them into really useful processes that people can steal and actually will pay money for, right? And so the other thing here as well is you get 5 weekly coaching calls so that you can ask any questions on these live calls. If you can't make the live calls, then you can watch back the coaching calls inside the classroom. And also inside the community, this is super active. I think on the whole of school, there's 180,000 different communities on school. We're top 25 in our category, right? For the most active, because we have so many people helping each other, learning from each other, creating content and sharing new stuff with each other, right? And so if you're not inside the AI Profit Boardroom, you are missing out, right? Because it's just so helpful, so valuable, etc. And it's the only place as well that I personally help people and reply to people and that sort of thing, right? You can see, for example, like someone was saying they're a bit of a newbie, they need help, blah, blah, blah. And you can see, like, I personally help people as well. I personally get back to people. And Anthony was super happy with that, right? And so if you want to get that, link in the comments description. But yeah, basically that's how it works step by step, right? And so like you can reach and exponentially grow your business using this process. What else can we do? I want to show you some other stuff that we're working on. Yeah, so I've talked about the 3 biggest bottlenecks that used to drain my time, the exact AI workflows that I used to replace them. I've shown you the thumbnail example, right? I mean, like if I had to design a thumbnail from scratch, it's going to take me ages. If I have to pay someone to do a thumbnail, well, that's going to cost a lot of money, right? But if I automate it, well, it's done, and it's done in minutes, faster than any thumbnail editor can do, but it looks just the same, right? Like that is ready to go. I could use that as a thumbnail design, no problem, right? And then in terms of the time that I've saved, right, this is pretty crazy. So for example, and this is the way that I like to look at things.